Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about SOE1 stock and key levels to watch June 5, 2026. In previous trading session, the stock formed a bearish candle. In today trading session, the stock forming a bullish candle. Now the stock trading at $8.18 on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, the stock breakout is trend line, made a high of $10.02. On the daily time frame, the key support level is $7.9. If the price goes below $7.9, it could test $6.22. The resistance level is $8.83. If the price breaks above $8.83, it could test $9.51. That's my view on SOE1 stock today. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more updates. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching.